Welcome to another tutorial. Today you'll be learning how to add voiceovers to your video. So this is my Capcut app. This is it. You can go to your Play Store and download it, Capcut. It has a free version, or you can use some features for free. But there are certain features you have to use and you have to pay. But for this voiceover, you don't need to pay for it. Quickly click on Capcut. Come over to where you have new projects. Click on new project, and that video we created that did not have any voiceover attached to it, let's pick it. So this is the video. It's 29 minutes long, but I'm just going to crop it. So pick the video and click on add one. You can add as many videos as possible that you want to add voiceover to, and if you want to even use pictures that you need to add voiceover to, let me add one picture by coming to where you have photos. So click on photos and pick the picture you want to add voiceover to. So I've picked one video and one picture. You can add as many photos as possible and as many videos as possible that you want to edit at the same time. Okay, so click on where you have add, and this is it. So let's add a voiceover to this. Simply come over to where you have audio, click on audio, scroll to where you have record, click on record, and to record all you have to do is to tap on this and speak.
I was recording my voice here, so it was not audible. So it actually cleared all the sounds. So you can, if you want the video to be up to an hour, you can just record to that hour.
Click on the good mark here, and that's it. So you see your recording saving. Let's play this. Well, welcome to Joyce Creative. Today we'll be working on this, do that, and how to fix this. Kindly follow through to the end. Thank you. So as you can see now, this video now have a voice. Before it didn't have any voice, it was just playing. Because now I want to increase the voiceover, I want to increase the volume, I want it to be more audible so that when people listen to my video, they can hear my voice. All I have to do is to come over to this volume. But ensure you are clicking on this, on the voice itself. Come over to volume and increase. Well, welcome to Joyce Creative. That and how. So as you can see, I have actually increased the volume of this particular voiceover I did. So this is how you can easily add voiceovers to your videos. You can also mix many pictures together and add voiceovers to those pictures for free using the Capcut app. Once you're done, just click on export and your videos will be downloaded. So see you in our next video. Before I go, I hope you have subscribed and clicked on the notification bell just so you get informed when I drop my next video. So see you in my next video. Bye.